Hello. So we have a beautiful question in front of us. This question is basically a mixture of, you can say, quadratic equation plus, linear equations in two variables. So the point is, let us start enjoying this question, let us start solving it, and then let us see what the conclusion is and where we get through. So the question says, at present, Asha's age. Now, who is Asha? So let us see. At present, Asha's age is 2 more than square of her daughter's Nisha's age. So we have two people here. One is, let's say, Asha, right? And Asha, and you can see here her daughter is Nisha. So Asha will be the mother, right? And let me write Nisha in a different color. So Nisha will be the daughter, right, of Asha. So this question deals with the ages of Asha and Nisha. So we have Asha's age given 2 more than square of her daughter Nisha's age. Now Nisha is the daughter and the relation between their ages is given. So let us make a table, like it will make the complex problem look more easier. So what I'll do here, I'll write, first of all, let us start with present ages, right? So first thing, we'll start with present ages. Okay, so for Asha, let us assume that the present age of Asha is X and the present age of Nisha is Y, right? Two unknowns. So we have present age of, let me change this a bit. This Y, I can write that this is Y years. And everything will be in years. X years and Y years. So the present age of Asha is X years and the present age of Nisha is Y years. So the relation is given between the present ages says that the present age of Asha, that is X years, is 2 more than the square of her daughter's Nisha's age. 2 more than square of a daughter Nisha's age. So actually this is equal to Y and this is equal to X. So X is 2 more than square of Y. So one relation that I get from here is very clearly that X is equal to 2 more than square of Y, that is Y square. This is my first relation that I can easily see from here. Okay. Now what? Let us see what the question says. Just try to understand the meaning of the question and after that it will be pretty much simpler, right? So when Nisha grows to her mother's present age, now this is the point where you need to think a lot. When Nisha grows to her mother's present age, so now let us take a second scenario, second one. When Nisha grows to Asha's age, right? When Nisha is actually equal to Asha's age. So now I know that present age of Nisha is Y and the present age of Asha is X. So the second condition says that when Y becomes X, right? Say, let us take a simple example. Say, let us assume that the present age of Asha was, say, 30 years and say the Nisha's present age was, say, 4 years, right? So now the second thing says that when Nisha will be equal to 30 years, right? When Nisha will be equal to 30 years, then what will be the age of Asha? Can you just tell me? So what is the difference here basically? Of 26 years. So we will add 26 to this plus 26, which will give me 56 years, right? You can understand this. I just gave an example so that it will be easier for you to understand. So what I did, I just assumed that the Asha's age was, let's say, initial present age was 30 years and Nisha's present age was 4 years. So it says that when Nisha's age becomes 30 years, right? So what is the difference between their ages? 26 years. So what I'll do here, I'll add 26 to the present age of Asha to get the total age after 26 years, which will be equal to 56 years, right? Same way we have to deal with X and Y, right? So here, according to the question, it says that when Y becomes X years. So what is the difference? What is the age gap? How many years are we talking about basically? Can you tell me? X minus Y, right? After X minus Y years, this will become X, the age of Nisha will become X years, right? Because when you'll add this and this, you will ultimately get this one, right? So this becomes 6 and the difference, say this was 5 and this will be, say, something 30 years. So this will be, so what will be the difference basically? X minus Y. So what will be Asha's age after X minus Y years? So what I'll do, I'll add x to this value, right? So this becomes, I will just add it here. So this becomes x minus y. We'll add this to x. So this becomes 2x minus y years. So now I have a condition that we are talking about after x minus y years. So in that case, Asha's age becomes 2x minus y and Nisha's age becomes x years. Now let us see what is the relation given between them. So when Nisha grows to her mother's present age, Asha's age would be 1 year less than 10 times the present age of Nisha. So Asha's age is 2x minus y. So we have one LHS of the equation as 2x minus y is 1 year less than 10 times the present age of Nisha. What was the present age of Nisha? Y years. So 10 times the present age and 1 year less than that. So I'll write 10 times present age 10y minus of 1. This gave me my second equation. So from this I can see that 2x is equal to 11y. I'll put y this side. This becomes 11y minus of 1, right? I have one equation this ways. So let us try to solve it. So what will be getting it here, right? So let me multiply both sides by 2. So I have 2x is equal to 4 plus 2y square. Now this is a simple quadratic. And what we'll be doing it here is that this value of 2x, that is 11y minus 1, I'll be substituting here. So I'll be getting 11y minus 1 is equal to 4 plus 2y square. Now this is the quadratic that we need to solve. So let us try solving it. I have space here, so I'll be solving it here itself. So I have 11y minus 1 is equal to 4 plus 2y square, which gives me 2y square minus 11y and plus of 4 plus of 1 is equal to 0, which finally gives me 2y square minus 11y plus 5 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic, you can easily factorize it. You can see 2 and 5 as factors, so 2 into 5, 10. I can take 1 and 10 because minus 1 into minus 10 is equal to minus 11. So 2y square minus of 10y minus of y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this gives me 2y minus 5 minus 1 into y minus 5 equals to 0. So finally, what will be the value? So let me put it down for you. Let me take some more space. So this gives us, right? Okay, so we have some space here, and let me show you the quadratic. Right, okay. So now we have the quadratic 2y minus 1 into y minus 5 is equal to 0, right? So from here we have two values of y, that y is either equal to 1 by 2 years or y is either equal to 5 years. Now which of them do you think will be the correct answer? So now you know that initial how x and y were related. Our first equation was, let me show you the first equation, this one, x is equal to 2 plus y square. So let us know that we have this x is equal to 2 plus y square. So let us start with the value of, say, y is equal to half. This implies x will be equal to 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 2.25 years. Is this ever possible that the daughter's age is half years and the mother's age is 2.25 years? Not possible, right? So anyways, because after 18 only it's legal to get married, so there's a lot of question. Anyways, let us take the next value, y is equal to 5, which gives me x is equal to 2 plus 5 square, which is equal to 27 years, which looks reasonable, right? So Asha's present age, let me write this once again. Okay, so Asha's present age will be how much? Can you tell me what is the present age of Asha? We just got it here. Asha's present age is 27 years, and Nisha, who is the daughter of Asha, Nisha's present age is nothing but 5 years, which is a solution to our problem.